Alright y'all, here's the quick and dirty way to wipe out over 100,000 emails from your inbox and score yourself a ton of free storage space. We're gonna smash that lame 50 emails at a time delete limit Gmail tries to hit us with. So first up, hop into your Gmail and check out those categories up top. Just dive into the one you want to clean up. I'm going with updates. Now hit that checkbox at the top to select all the emails on this page. But here's the kicker. See that little link pop up that says, select all 149,946 conversations and updates? Click that bad boy and boom, you just selected every single email in there. Now, click on the delete button to delete all the emails at once. Click OK on confirm bulk action. I will receive a notification which may take a few minutes. Give it a sec to load, it might take a moment. Gmail's still kinda stingy, so you can't pick more than 50 unread emails in some spots at once, but this trick gets around it for the categories. Repeat the process for your promotions and social tabs. Once you have cleared and deleted all emails from each category, please proceed to remove them from the trash folder. Click on the select button at the top and select all emails. Choose the delete forever option. Please refrain from closing or refreshing the page. Kindly wait until all emails are deleted from the trash folder. As you can see, I got free space from 95% to 50% of my Gmail account. If you want to nuke even more emails in bulk, I'm using the Apple Mail app for that. I've got a full separate tutorial linked down in the video description, so go peep that. Hope this helped you out. Smash that like button, share this with your crew, and hit subscribe so you don't miss my next free tech guide. And hey, drop a comment if you need more help. I got you.